Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss the top 3 programming languages to learn. JavaScript. JavaScript is still a very popular programming language today. It is easy to learn and JavaScript programmers are always in high demand around the world. JavaScript is pretty useful in web development and server applications, to name a few. The second best programming language to learn is Java. Java is widely used by many companies, so the number of job opportunities for Java programmers is high. Also, Java is excellent for object-oriented programming. This makes Java a very useful tool for mobile app development, application software, and web development. The number 1 programming language to learn is Python. Python is easy to use and by far one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Python has a large amount of documentation and libraries to make coding easier, and it is open source. Python can be used in artificial intelligence, data science, robotics, application software, database systems, and many more. Wanna learn Python really quick? To get started, check my course on Udemy to learn Python in less than 1 hour. Here, you will learn about Python basics, functions, if statements, loops, recursion, higher order procedures, abstract data types, and many more. Check the description below for the link to the course. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on post notification. Also, remember to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.